Good evening and welcome to the Daily Market Update. The DSEX slipped back to the red zone today as it lost 10.37 points or 0.21% and settled at 4,955 points. Market turnover was 4.86 billion Bangladeshi takas, which is a decrease of 9.60% compared to the previous trading day. Al Arafa Islami Bank, BRAC Bank and Eastern Bank from the banking sector, IPDC Finance and IDLC Finance from the NBFI sector, and Apex Footwear from the tannery sector mainly dragged the market today. In terms of sector-wise return, the insurance sector posted the highest gain of 2.43%, while the pharmaceutical sector registered the second highest gain of 0.70%. On the other hand, the NBFI sector posted the highest loss of 0.85% today. 5 NBFIs and 4 textile companies were among the top 20 losers today. Pragati Life Insurance, Family Techs, and Prime Finance and Investment registered the highest gain, while Olive Industries, Beach Hatchery, and SLM Cold Rolled Steels were the top losers today. Olive Industries, Beach Hatchery, and SLM Cold Rolled Steels fell due to being demoted to the Z category, and stockbrokers and merchant bankers are instructed not to provide loan facility to purchase securities of the companies. There is no publicly disclosed price-sensitive information for the price change of the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Central Insurance Company, Siam Textile Mills, and Talu Spinning Mills increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase for the above-mentioned stocks. Today's top 2 news: Bangladesh's export earnings have now fallen for 5 straight months, pressured by weak demand in the United States and rising competition in Europe as China and India step up efforts to capture greater market share. The Export Promotion Bureau, EPB, show that exports dropped 14.25% year-on-year in December to 3.89 billion United States dollars, compared with 4.63 billion United States dollars a year earlier, following a 5.54% decline in November. Cumulatively, export receipts during the July to December period slid 2.19% to just under 24 billion United States dollars, underscoring growing headwinds for the country's export sector and highlighting the urgent need for diversification, productivity gains, and renewed market competitiveness to reverse the downward trend. Bangladesh Bank bought 187.5 million United States dollars from commercial banks on January 4th at a rate of 122 Bangladeshi takas and 30 paise per dollar, continuing its efforts to stabilize the exchange rate. With this latest transaction, the central bank's total dollar purchases in the current fiscal year have reached 3.32 billion United States dollars. The purchase reflects Bangladesh Bank's ongoing intervention in the foreign exchange market, which began in July last year through an auction-based mechanism. The approach is designed to smooth volatility and support orderly market conditions, reinforcing stability as the country navigates a market-driven exchange rate framework. That's all for today. Thank you.